Welcome back. Coding is an amazing skill set to have, especially if you want to make some money with your skills. So, let's take a look at some ways you can make monthly income with your coding skills. In my opinion, the fastest, best way to start earning money with your Python experience is by getting a job. I know, it's not that exciting, but a job will get you consistent income and it can help build your experience as well. If you're trying to find the best jobs to apply for with your Python experience, check out the article one wrote below. As I've stated before, this is probably the one passive income stream I would recommend everyone to work on. As most of you know, blogging is essentially creating articles online. Everyone knows this. There are tons of different ways to blog these days. Whether it's Medium, LinkedIn, or your own website, blogging is a great way to share your knowledge with other people and get paid while doing it. I've tried a lot of different ways to make passive income as a data scientist. Honestly, as a programmer in general. And blogging is the one stream where I've made some serious passive income from. Unlike some other ideas on this list, blogging is fairly instantaneous. You can make a blog in an hour or two and move on to the next blog. Unlike developing an entire software which can take weeks, sometimes months or years, this is the one passive income stream I would heavily recommend everyone to look into. Next up we have tutoring, one of the oldest methods of creating revenue off of the things that you know. Here's the thing, this method isn't the first thing you may think of, but it's one of the ways to generate income with your knowledge. The process of generating revenue is fairly easy. You find people who want to learn from you, collect payments and teach them. There are tons of websites out there that can help you with this process. Take a look at the website below for example. You can also check your local college websites, job boards, etc. For people wanting to be tutored, you may be able to find people who want to learn what you know. This is by far one of the fastest ways to generate income with your programming knowledge. Next up, we have one of the oldest ways of generating side income. Freelancing. Freelancing is essentially building projects for clients. The process is something like this. Find a client, map out the project, build out the project, deliver the project and get paid. This is a high-level overview, but this is essentially the way to do it. If you want a list of some of the most popular freelancing websites, check out the link below. Now, this method still requires you to put in the work of developing the actual projects. But it's still much faster than trying to make a popular application or piece of software. There you have it. Do you know of any other ways to make income with coding? I would love to hear your thoughts about this. If you have any suggestions, thoughts, or just want to connect, feel free to follow me on Twitter. Also, below is a link to some of my favorite resources for learning programming. Thanks so much for reading.